Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hi, grade 4. How are you today, girls? Today, inshallah, we'll complete our lessons about sound and how does sound travel to our ears. But before this, let's revise on some notes from the last sessions. Sound needs a material to travel through, so the sound can't travel through the space. Sound needs a material to can travel or to can move. Sound travels faster in solids than liquids than in gases, and you know the reasons from the last session. Some solid materials are much better transmitters of sound than others, like the wood. Wood is best transmitter of sound than the glass. Our main point today that some materials help us to transmit sound so that it is louder and travels farther. Some materials, what is the meaning of this? If I ask you to make your voice louder, what will you do? You will shout, right? No, I want you to make your voice louder and moves for long distance, travels farther without any shouting. What will you do? What will you do? So these are the materials that we will use them today to help us to travel or transmit the sound louder and farther without any shouting. So how can you make your voice louder without shouting? Try talking through a tube like this boy here. This boy tried talking through a tube, so he makes his voice louder and move farther or for long distance. Then listen to your partner's voice with and without tube. So first you will start to talk through a tube and your partner, your friend, your sister, anyone stand here and listen to your sound. And then your partner will talk through the tube and you will listen to the voice of your partner. Does your partner's voice change when they talk through the tube? Yes. Their voice sounds louder. Their voice sounds will be louder. Why? This what will we take now? Okay, girls, when I ask you give reason, the sound will be louder when we talk through a tube. Why? The tube stops the vibrations escaping into the surrounding air. When you talk through a tube, all the vibration will be inside the tube. All the vibrations will not move away or move out to the surrounding air. So the tube stops the vibration escaping, stops the vibration moving away, stops the vibrations to come out of the tube to the surrounding air. So the tube keeps all the vibration inside the tube and transmits them straight into our ear. So this makes the sound louder. So the tube keep all the vibration of your sound inside the tube and travel them straight, in a straight line, not in all directions in the air. No, in a straight line into our ear, so that this make the sound louder. Okay, number 2, give reason. The sound will travel farther for long distance when we talk through a tube. Why? Because what? Because the vibrations travel in just one direction, not in all direction in the air. No, the sound will move in one direction, straight line, through the tube, so it can move for long distance, farther. Okay? Note, don't shout into the tube. Why? Because this could damage your partner's ear. Talk in the tube, through the tube. Don't shout. Your voice will be louder. Your voice will transmit farther. Not shout, don't shout, because this could damage your partner's ear. Okay, now we will take something called vocal cords. Vocal cords. What are the vocal cords? Vocal cords, can you see here? It's a part in your neck. Can you see here? This is your mouth, your tongue, And then there is a tube here. Can you see this part? This part is called what? Larynx. Larynx. And then trachea. Trachea. That leads to your lungs. Your lungs that you breathe through them. So this is called what? This part? Larynx. Okay. Can you see this part? Can you see this part, girls? This part here, can you see this part? Here, there are the vocal cords. Vocal cords. Larynx called the voice box that contains the vocal cords. Can you see the vocal cords here? This is what? Vocal cords. Okay. Vocal cords, this is the shape of it. If we look from your mouth, you can see the vocal cord like this. It may be closed or be opened. When you speak, the cords come together and vibrate to make sound. These cords, can you see this? Bands, these cords. When you speak, the cords come together and vibrate to make sound. At rest, when you don't speak, the vocal cords are relaxed, not come together and be open so you can breathe. Sorry, this is B, so you can breathe. Okay, so here the vocal cords vibrate and air passes through the cords from where? From your lungs. From your lungs through breathing. So the vocal cords vibrate and the air passes through the cords from where? From the lungs to produce the sound of your voice. Again, vocal cords vibrate and the air passes through the cords from the lungs. The air passes through the cords from the lungs to produce the sound of your voice. Okay, now we have an activity to make a telephone. Try to do it at your home. It is so easy and so interesting. You will need 2 paper cups, 1 meter of string. The steps: make a hole in the base of each cup. Don't study the steps, just understand it to can make your own telephone. Make a hole in the base of the 2 cups with a pin. Small hole, okay? Tie one end of the string, one end of this string, for example, tie it from inside, and then take the free end and insert it into the hole of the bottom of the second cup. Then pull it to tie it inside the second cup. Then each one of you and your partner take 1 cup and move away from each other until the string is stretched. I want the string to be what? Stretched tight. One of you puts the cup to ear and the partner talks into the other cup. What will happen? Can you hear your partner speak? I want you to stretch the string like this. Stretch it tight. Can you hear your partner speak? Can you hear the whisper of the partner? Yeah, you can hear your partner speaking and whispering well. How? How this happen? Vocal cords now. Vocal cords of your partner here cause waves or make vibrations of the sound. So the vocal cords of your partner, vocal cords here in the larynx or in the neck, start to vibrate. So they produce the sound or the voice of your partner. These vibration or these waves vibrate the air particles. These waves or vibrations vibrate the air particles. The vibrating air particles make the partner cup vibrate, make this cup vibrate. So again, vocal cords of your partner started to vibrate and make vibrations. These vibrations vibrate the air particles. Okay? These air particles will vibrate your partner cup. The vibrations from the cup vibrate the string. Vibrate what? The string. The vibrations from the string vibrate your cup. The cup vibrates the air. So these vibrations will go inside your ear and to the eardrum. Eardrum is a part inside your ear, so you can hear. Again, vocal cords vibrate. Vocal cords cause waves. These waves or these vibrating vibrate the air particles, and the air particles vibration vibrate the cup, and the vibration of the cup vibrates the string, and the vibration of the string vibrates your cup, and vibrations of your cup vibrate the air around you. So the cup vibrates the air, then your eardrum. These vibrations go inside your ear and reach to your eardrum. Eardrum is a part of your ear. So you can hear well. You can hear talking, you can hear whispering, you can hear anything louder. Okay, thank you, grade 4. This is your homework. Please, if you can't understand any point, send me a message. Bye bye.